How to A/B test for Facebook audience or on Facebook audience step by step in this video. Follow the steps till the end. Go to Facebook Ads Manager, visit Facebook and click on Create to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective. Pick the goal you want to optimize for like sales, leads, traffic, engagement. Click Continue. Enable A/B test mode option after choosing your objective. Toggle on A/B test. Select audience as the variable to test. You will be prompted to set up 2 or more ad sets, each with a different audience. Step 4 is create your audience variations. Create different audience to test some ideas, broad versus interest-based, lookalike versus custom, cold versus warm traffic, men versus women, 25 to 34 versus 35 to 44 age group, different geographic regions, keep everything else the same. Step 5 is set budget and schedule. Choose even split to divide budget equally between audiences. Group, use a daily budget, start with about $20 a day, run for at least 3 to 5 days to collect enough data on your Facebook. Now monitor key metrics like cost per result, that is CPL, CTR, that is click-through rate, conversion rate, and frequency. The winning audience is equal to lowest cost and highest return for your goal. Step 7 is scale the winner. If you see that this of your ad is working well, you just have to pick that and scale it up to get more viewers on it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.